Hello, and welcome back to the Outback. I've got to make a few of these pot stand sets up, so if you're interested I'll show you how I make them and how they're set up and what they're for. It's not the only way to do them, you can make them lots of different ways, but it's just one way that I like. They're made up of a pot hanger itself, which has bird beak notches on it, which will hang and allow you to adjust the pan up and down, as you'll see. A wire branch to go in the ground to support the main rod, and some tent pegs. They're all easy to make, all bits of wood that you can find without bothering too much. Tools used for it, I've got a Moira carbon blade, razor sharp, cheapy axe, but again razor sharp, the Baco Laplander wood saw, which they all rave about, which locks out and locks in. So that's one thing you should always be looking for on a saw like that, that they lock in and lock out, then they're not going to come open in your bag. They all rave about them, they're okay. Personally, I prefer the other one. They're about £30 to buy. This ranges between £5 and £10 to buy. It's a Samurai garden pruning saw. It locks in and locks open. Nice curve to the blade, razor sharp, and cuts better, in my opinion, than the Laplander, and a lot cheaper. So they're the tools. You don't need all them tools. You can do it with just a knife, which I'll demonstrate to you.